Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can export only the clips that you selected on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add random videos next to it so you guys can see. I'm just going to only export this video. So I'm just going to right click, and then as you can see, there's an export selected clips. Just wait for a bit, and then here you can just export that one clip. Just press export, and that's it. You can change the name and stuff and then press export. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.